About 1.5 billion trees are cut worldwide every year, leading to millions of tons of sawdust waste, which seriously threatens environmental and human health. Traditional wood chips recovery methods, such as burning, accumulation, compost, and animal bedding are limited. Burning releases harmful gases. Accumulation is a fire hazard. Composting is slow and can release irritating gases. Sawdust used as animal bedding is difficult to dispose of, and making particleboard is energy-intensive and difficult to degrade. In contrast, sawdust charcoal is a more efficient and environmentally friendly solution. Through pyrolysis technology, sawdust can be converted into charcoal, tar, and wood vinegar with a processing capacity of 0 to 15 cubic meters per hour, significantly reducing waste accumulation. This method not only improves resource utilization, but also strictly follows environmental protection standards and minimizes the impact on the ecosystem. Choosing sawdust to make charcoal contributes to sustainable development and protects a common home.